Hi guys, sharing the only way I enjoyed my burger with you all today. This is so simple, direct, and super perfect. You can regulate it to how you want it. Lovelies, homemade is the best. If today is your first time on this channel, please join us here. Press the subscribe button, press the follow button, and let's get it started. Those are the ingredients I'll be using. I'm going to show you everything one by one. That is the ground beef I'll be using. Into it now I added 1 egg. After that, I'm going to add all these ingredients you can see here. Let me show you. What I have here is my salt that I'll be using. I have seasoning there, I have chili flakes there, and I have mixture of oregano, thyme, and diced onions. To heat now, I'm going to pour everything inside. Make sure you watch this video up to the end for you not to miss any part of this yummy burger. What I have here is just a ball of bread. Feel free to use breadcrumbs if it is available. If it is not available, don't bother yourself. Just take 2 slices of bread or just a ball of bread like this and tear it into pieces into it. I have 1 tablespoonful of all-purpose flour. I added it into it. Now with my very well washed hand, I'm going to mix everything together. It has to be very well combined. I will use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my active followers. Thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. God bless you all. Newcomers, God bless you too. Lovelies, that's the mixture of everything we mix together. I flour my work surface and I'm going to start to mold the beef mixture now. Feel free to mold it to your desired sizes. I want the size. I don't want it to be too big and it shouldn't be too small. Okay, so after doing that, you mold it just like this. For the exact measurements of everything I use, please check the description box. All right, so in a pot, I'm going to pour some olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil. Not too much, okay? It's now time to place those meatballs into it and press it down. If you have burger presser, you can use it, but I used a spoon. Okay, I fried each side for about 5 minutes and I also placed cheese on each like this. You can make it bigger, okay? It depends on how big you want your burger to be. Allow it to melt for about a minute or 2. You can cover it, it will melt quickly. All right, so I take it off the pot now and I'm going to reduce the oil, okay, and place the burger bread into this just for it to fry for about 2 minutes. Okay, that's what I have, and it's now time to make the sauce. Here I have mayonnaise and I'm going to add garlic sauce into it. That is garlic sauce. It is really good. I added some mustard cream mixed with olive oil into it and I gave them a very good mix. They are well combined. It's now time to cream the bread with it. Okay, I don't want it too much. I placed some sliced cucumber on it. I have cabbage and I placed the burger with cheese on top of it and I poured some cream on top of it and I covered it with burger bread. Okay, so lovelies, I'm going to slice this. This is how I enjoyed my homemade burger. Lovelies, you need to give this a try. I bet that you're going to love it. Feel free to use amount of cream that you want, and if you're on the diet like mine, try this. You will enjoy it. Thanks for watching.